National Institute of Standards and Technology Thai.
National Institute of Standards and Technology Thai.
Alright, hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is from, excuse me, Sapporo Ichiban. This is Hakata Mizutaki Ramen. And this one's pretty neat, I think. Oh, I need a thing so I don't make a mess. Yeah, hold on. Let me get a thing. I'll probably make a mess anyways, but I like to try to do mess mitigation before it happens. So there's our cup. Here's the lid. It's got a lady from what do you call it? Nogizaki 46, who are the rivals of AKB 48. Yeah, basically it's a huge group of young women who are they like sing and dance and do the whole thing, but they're called an idol group. And yeah, it's like, you know, you got boy bands and little girl groups over here. They need like to outstage that by as much as they can. So 46 members in this one, 48 in the other. Here's our liquid. And 4 minutes on the timer. With the bra pilot. I'm serious. I think it's the funniest name. Yeah, look at that. Bra pilot. Anyways, what's going on? Oh, I want to do a shout out. I got a call yesterday from a viewer. I know her name started with S. I can't remember. I truly apologize. I'm not good with names sometimes. But anyways, she called me up asking about, where is it? Here it is. This. She wanted to know what, she like hunted me down on the internet to find out what chili oil I was using. Yeah, this is S&B Layu, and this is the chili oil with chili pepper. As you can see here, there's gunk in the bottom. You gotta shake it up to get it to move. I need to put more. I just put other chili oil in it to kind of make it more, to keep that going, because that doesn't all come out. You end up with a bunch of sludge in the bottom. Not like you can get it out. But, yeah, so there's that one, and then there's one that's doesn't have the sludge in the bottom. They're both good. I mean, but yeah, I thought this one was interesting. How much did I pay for this stuff? Did this come off of Amazon? Really? No. But this shouldn't set you back more than like, what, $2 or $3? These really aren't expensive. Some of the stuff gets up there, like the shichimi. There are shichimi varieties that are going for like $30. There's also mayu oil, which is black garlic oil, and the brand, this S&B stuff, that you can find that on Amazon, and they want like $30 for a little bottle of this. I say forget it. Too much. I'd rather go to Japan, spend the $30 there, and get like 10 bottles. I'm sure that's probably how it works. But yeah. So I'm a little behind, but I think all will work well today. I made some eggs yesterday. I had to settle down and just go, okay, all I got are the large eggs at the store, because I don't want to get the Safeway brand eggs because they just suck. I don't know. A buddy of mine, Stumpy from north of Little Rock, Arkansas, he used to work on a chicken farm, and he's like, the deal is, the better grain you give your chickens or food or whatnot, the better eggshells you get. And so the ones when you feed them like crummy food, you'll definitely notice a difference between that and the other stuff. I ended up getting these brown eggs because that's really all they had. I usually get the Eggland's Best ones. I also got this going. You won't see this exact stuff in the video, but Naruto. So it comes in a cane like this, as you can see, swirly, swirly. I'm thawing that out right now to use for. I bag them up in little tiny zipper baggies that I get off of Amazon. Amazon. Yeah. I need to put more of those in the fridge. Oh, geez. But yeah, thanks to lady whose name starts with an S from Monroe. Thanks for giving me a call, and that was very kind, very nice words. She said she really likes the show, and yeah, I really appreciate that, so thank you. Somebody's got to watch it, right? All right. Yeah. Okay, so our noodle is done. If you're curious about how the show looks, look up a review. Go to theramenrater.com and look up the review for A1 Curry Laksa. And in there, you'll see a video link, a YouTube video called How I Review version 3.0. And that one literally walks you through the whole process of me picking them, taking the pictures, scanning things, doing all that stuff, doing the show, doing the tasting, taking more pictures, finishing them up. It's like basically wall to wall of how a review happens. So here's the noodle. Thick, chewy noodle. Very thick noodle. Here's our broth. Definitely a chicken broth. And it's got these little chicken meatballs. They're kind of fluffy. That tastes like. It tastes just like chicken. Definitely. Uh-oh. Here we go. Sorry, Rotato. We gotta make sure you're happy as a clam here. And a bowl. And yeah, this is a good one. Whoop. All right, so let's try one of these eggs out. Second day of the new schedule around here. Getting up really early, earlier than we were. Come on, egg. Be a loving egg, a kind egg, a good egg. Ooh, you are a good egg. Come on. Oh, look at that. Wow, okay. Wow, those are, dude, I might just have to keep getting these. Let me get a napkin. There we go. Look at those. Ooh, those have that color I like. Nice and orangey. Ooh. A little bit of that. Hey, give me a tablet back. She wants a tablet. A little bit of spring onion. And some seed. And honestly, I gotta get rid of some of this. I think I'm gonna hold off on this one. That's my last one. Okay. I was gonna put some Narutomaki on it, but then I thought, hey, that's my last Narutomaki until I set up the new batch. Alright, here we go. 440. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. Why is that light on? The light on the camera. I pressed some button. Anyways, let me see if I can fix that really quick. I'll have to figure that out. Anyways, it's been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Tomorrow we got another one from zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is from Marashan. This is Oshima Miso Ramen. So yeah, doing. See you tomorrow. Bye.